Watering and location are the top two things that need to happen for your garden to grow. And with Gardening in Minutes, the garden grid, and their amazing metal beds, you can get both of those things accomplished. Let's take a look at some things that I see here. When we installed Gardening in Minutes, we were able to put it in square foot spaces, which is really cool because growing in square foot allows me to grow more in one area, knowing that I have an entire square foot covered with water and I don't have to worry about this getting watered is another amazing benefit with the garden grid. I really enjoyed that these beds were square, which is nice because it fits in different places in my garden versus a rounded bed. And I feel I get more usage having all the corners available for growing. I also appreciated this came in 17 or 32 inches tall. I wanted the shorter and I wanted the longer. So as you can see, I was able to configure this bed into a 2x10 in a space in my garden that fit just right. And not only was it easy to install, in 45 minutes or less, my husband and I put together the metal beds, as you see in the garden grid video. It was even easier to install the amazing garden grid, which took me less than 5 minutes. Now, after installing the garden grid, I did need to be able to hook this up and connect it with my main line. So knowing that is very important when you buy this product. But the initial setup is so much quicker, so much faster, so much more efficient than the old ways of doing irrigation. So I recommend the garden grid system, not only for the irrigation, but also for the beds.